Thank you for your purchase of the Tach-It Model 6125. And this video will help you with the loading and usage of this machine. The Tach-It Model 6125 has the ability to use one roll of tape up to 2-inch wide or 2 rolls of tape up to 1-inch wide each. When using 2 rolls of tape, we highly suggest you use the included tape separator, which is located on the bottom of the machine. To remove it, just press the center hub and the piece will pop out. Open the tape gate by pressing this button, and it just fits in to the recesses made within the feeding area of the machine. When not using a roll of tape 1 inch or smaller, we suggest that this is placed back underneath the machine in its holding position. If you ever do need it, it is available to you. With the machine at the edge of the table, we suggest you take the roll of tape you're going to be using. This particular roll of tape is wider than 1 inch, and the first thing you want to do is adjust the side plates. This will keep the roll from wandering within the machine and keep it centered. All you do is press and move this lever, and the side plates will come in. You do not want to squeeze the roll too tight, as it can inhibit the feeding. In order to load the machine, the first thing we do is we open the tape gate. Now I've created a little fold at the front edge of the tape here, which we suggest you do to make it easier to load. Pull some of the tape out, and when you look inside, there is a large lower roller and an upper roller. What we want to do is press the tape to that large lower roller, and then we're going to hit the forward button, kind of just guiding in that first little bit. Once the tape is taut, we're now going to lower the tape gate. Just push it down and it'll snap into position. We keep pressing the forward button until the tape comes out the front. Now to remove this first piece of tape, all we do is hit the start button, which is yellow colored. Now the Model 6125 will work in either a random or an automatic predetermined length. This particular unit has 6 length presets. So for random lengths, all we do is press the forward button until the length we want is fed out, then hit the start button, which cuts the tape. Next piece, hit the start button. Again, we do suggest for longer pieces that you do put this to the edge of the table. There is also a ramp which can be raised to help guide the tape when using longer pieces away from the machine or the table. Now, as I mentioned, this particular unit has 6 memory presets. The preset number or indicator is A, B, C, D, E, F, and that is the first indicator on the LED. The second indicator, or the second side, right side, is the length. We're now doing 25. Now, this is in millimeters. Keep in mind, there are 25 millimeters to an inch, so this is an easy adjustment to make. So to go in the automatic mode, we hit the auto manual button, and then we hit the yellow start button, and that first piece will feed out. Every time we remove the piece, it'll feed out. Now if we want to change to the next preset, all we do is hit the select button. That's B, C, D, E, F. So now I'm going to go to C, which is 75 millimeters or 3 inch. As I remove this piece, the longer 3-inch length now feeds out. If I want to change the length adjustment for C, I use the plus and minus buttons here. So I've now changed this to 110 millimeters or about 4 1/4 inches. To go to another preset, again, all I do is hit the select button. If you want to, when you're done and you want to remove the roll of tape or the tape is finished, we suggest that you do not let the paper or any of the core go through the machine, as that could cause a problem within the mechanism. You go back to manual mode, lift the tape gate, and then use the reverse button, and it will feed the tape out of the machine. Thank you very much.